Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are doing a new video, that is how to make a wolf in paper. Now you need to take a simple sheet. You can take a color sheet or a normal sheet. Any sheet will work. So see it carefully guys. You have to fold it in half. Don't worry about the marks in the paper guys. You have to do it like that. You have to fold the paper in half and then see this. You have to do like that and see very carefully guys. Keep the paper vertical guys and then should put it like this and keep it, and for this side also, and see guys, now you have an wolf. Wow, see it guys, so cool guys. If you draw a face in here, it will be your very own wolf. See this guys. Okay guys, see, I have to draw the eyes, nose and a mouth in here. So let me just draw an eye and a mouth. Guys, you must write this